Hi everyone, ito po ang step 1 if you want to participate dito po sa MMM International. Siyempre bibigyan po kayo ng link ng friend nyo, click nyo lang po yung link at mapupunta po tayo dito sa registration site. The usual lang po na mga informations needed, your name, your phone number, your country, your email, and your password. Okay? Country is important kasi as of now, November 2023, nasa 11 countries na po si MMM at pang 12 po yung Philippines. Okay, for email, I suggest use your secondary email and not your primary email. Password, I suggest a strong password. It should be 8 characters long, alpha, numeric, and symbol. Then type in the CAPTCHA code. After that, review nyo po lahat. Review thoroughly to avoid errors. And then, click the warning and click the registration. And you're done. Viola. To continue, please verify your account. Okay? Successful na po yung registration natin. Then, we will check our email. Okay? Check your inbox, refresh nyo lang po ng refresh. Kung di nyo po makita sa inbox, punta po kayo dun sa junk or sa spam. Usually dyan po napupunta. Then click yung MMM International. Then here it is your registration information, your login and your password andyan. So click verify your email. And then, yan na po. Huwag nyo na po yung galawin. Click nyo lang po yung activate now. And you're done. Congratulations. Okay na po. Okay na po yung registration nyo. If you want to check, okay, check natin sa office. Type in the CAPTCHA. Every time mag-login po tayo sa ating MMM office, may CAPTCHA po talaga yan. Then, type in your email or your mobile number. Pwede po. And your password. If on device nyo po yan, pwede nyo naman pong i-save yung password nyo. So, okay na po yan. May notice dyan on how to activate. For the activation, isi-send ko po sa inyo sa other videos. For the meantime po, i-share ko po itong error na nangyari po kanina. Ito po ang mangyari kapag after the successful registration nyo po, hindi nyo po check yung email, hindi nyo po niya bini-verify, nag-proceed kayo right away dito sa office po natin, mag-failed po talaga yung pag-login nyo po. Okay, so every time, okay, mag-captcha po tayo, then your email and your password, pero hindi po kayo maka-proceed kasi hindi pa po na-verify yung email nyo po. So, login failed po yan, error in, parang error in password and email. So dapat talaga activate muna natin yung email, verify natin yung email before po tayo makaproceed dito sa office po natin. So yun lang po for now guys, and for the next video po, doon naman tayo sa activation. Thank you so much everyone.